Hey there! Today we're diving into a really exciting topic, how to learn a language using AI apps. That's a game changer, right?
Absolutely. AI apps can really enhance the language learning experience. They offer personalized learning paths and instant feedback.
So what are some effective strategies for beginners? Where should someone start?
Great question. First, it's important to set clear goals. Decide what you want to achieve. Is it conversational fluency or reading comprehension?
That makes sense. Setting goals gives you direction. What about the skills? How do you work on all of them?
You should focus on the four main skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. AI apps often have features that target each skill.
Right. So how can someone ensure they're consistent in their practice?
Consistency is key. Try to practice a little every day. Even just 15 minutes can make a big difference.
15 minutes sounds doable. What about using the apps effectively? Any tips?
Definitely. Use the app's features to your advantage. For example, take advantage of spaced repetition for vocabulary.
Spaced repetition? Can you explain that a bit more?
Sure, it's a technique where you review words at increasing intervals. This helps reinforce memory.
Got it. So, what about speaking practice? That can be intimidating.
It can be. Look for apps that offer voice recognition. They can help you practice pronunciation and speaking.
That's really helpful. What about moving from beginner to upper levels? How does that transition work?
As you progress, start engaging with more complex materials. Read articles, watch shows, or listen to podcasts in the target language.
That sounds fun. But what if someone feels stuck? It happens to a lot of learners.
Feeling stuck is normal. Try changing your routine. Explore different apps or methods to reignite your motivation.
That's a good point. Variety can keep things fresh. Can you share a quote that resonates with this journey?
Sure, language is the roadmap of a culture. It tells you where its people come from and where they are going. This highlights the importance of understanding the culture behind the language.
I love that. It really connects language learning to a bigger picture. How does this relate to the strategies we discussed?
Well, understanding the culture can motivate you to learn. It makes the language feel more relevant and engaging.
That's true. Now, can you share another excerpt that contrasts with this idea?
Of course, language learning is a solitary journey. This emphasizes the personal effort required.
Interesting. So, while culture is important, the individual effort is crucial too?
Exactly. You need to put in the work, but also connect with the culture to enrich your experience.
A common assumption is that you need to be immersed in a country to learn a language effectively.
That's a common belief, but with AI apps, you can create your own immersive experience from home.
So, to sum it up, using AI apps can really enhance language learning. It's all about setting goals, practicing consistently, and engaging with the culture.
Absolutely. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination.
Before we wrap up, what's one final thought you'd like to leave our listeners with?
I'd say keep exploring. Language learning is a lifelong journey. Stay curious and enjoy the process.
Great advice. And just a reminder, this script and audio were generated using AI for free using ZenMic.com. Anyone can make one.